giving my house a fresh new look for the fall season. I'm going to use my accent pillows to give the house the fresh look I'm looking for, using colors and shapes and textures that are going to bring fall into my house. When I look for accent pillows, I always go with the ones with a very nice insert. So it's the down and feather mix inserts. And even if I don't like the cover, I know I have something at home that I can change it into. So I always buy the ones with the zipper and go with the seasonal colors. I am redoing my living room sofa, so I am using all my favorite fall colors, the pumpkin, the gold tones, the sage green, the teal blues, all mixed with gold. Okay, comfort is going to be number one, and then of course the pillow covers that I know I'm going to like because I bought them. And they're going to be appropriate for fall too. So I usually go with the cotton, the silk cashmere for the sitting room sofa, and the leather cover ones, or the ones that are just look beautiful, but I don't think they'd be very comfortable for the accent chairs. And of course, let's not forget the throw blankets. I usually have the very soft, the faux fur ones. I love those. They go in the wash easily, they dry easily, and they're very comfortable. And I then match them with the color of the pillows I have on the sofa. I guess I should say that I have two groups of accent pillows. One that is just, they're absolutely comfortable, the fabric is soft, you can sleep on these pillows, take a nap for hours. And then I have a few like these two that are all leather. I absolutely love them. They look beautiful, they're made beautifully, but they're not very comfortable. So I use them on the sofa when I have company over, just to make it look nice, or if I'm taking pictures, or on accent chairs. The way I place accent pillows together is just not by color, but also by texture and size. So I go with a pillow sitting in front of another pillow sometimes, or if they're the same size, just put them all next to each other. Like here I have a fur pillow with a velour pillow. The color combination goes very well together, and it just makes you feel comfortable when you look at them. And the sizes are different, but I'm going to put the fur pillow in front of the square pillow. I have the cashmere blue and brown stripes with the cotton stripes. Same color scheme. They all have the dark brown and kind of a hint of a cream in every pillowcase you see. Even the leather pillowcase has dark brown and beige. So I think they have a very good color base, and they look good together. Not only mixing the different designs, stripes with just patterns, but even textures, leather and cotton. They go really well together. Like on this sofa, I have velour, I have fur, silk, and leather all mixed, and they have this beautiful shine. Makes the room look very warm, and the colors are very pleasant. For now, I'm using the campaign chair as an accent chair. No one is actually sitting on it. It sits in the corner. So I use the cashmere pillow for the base and the two fur pillows for the back side. I think it looks very nice and warm. It just covers one corner of the house. So as you look at it, all you see is this warm look of cashmere and the fur pillows. Just to give this chair, the recliner, a nicer look, as it always sits plain by itself, I added another fur pillow, a Euro size one, and opened up the color. It's beige and pistachio color. And this sofa, I just concentrated on all the fall colors. The leather in dark brown and dark beige, kind of like a coffee color. And the orange that goes with the velour pumpkin color. And I think it opens up just a tad bit with the cream and the pistachio pillow. Just a different look. Just throwing them around, giving every sofa, every accent chair just a fresh look. Here's another one. Same color, different textures. They have silk, fur, leather, velour all mixed in, but they all have beautiful colors of the pumpkin, deep orange, light orange, and brown. And I need blankets. I love having blankets just sitting in the corner of a sofa. Just when you're tired, you want to sit down, stretch your feet, your legs. Just a soft either faux fur or a wool blanket. It's always nice to have. Just cover your knees and relax. You can just be so creative and create different looks for every room and change them around. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't yet. And if you have, thank you so much for supporting us. See you soon.